Have you ever heard of dual inline memory or DIMM, like DIMM slots on a motherboard? So we have DIMM slots and we have SIMM. So this is an older form of memory. And SIMM, SIMM, stands for single inline memory module, whereas the DIMM is a dual inline memory module. And it's an older type of memory module and it contains multiple memory chips and it's on a single small circuit board, kind of like your RAM DIMMs. They also typically have 30 to 72 pin configurations, and with that knowledge, let's try to find a possible answer for which characteristic describes a SIMM, single inline memory module. So first we have an individual memory chip that has dual rows. Right when it says that, Xing out the answer. It does not have dual rows, it's single. Then we have SRAM that is internal and integral into the CPU. It is external, it's not internal. So X out of that one. A small, more condensed memory module that provides random access data storage, ideal for laptops, printers, and well, although this is kind of correct, it's not a smaller, like smaller to what? So this could be an answer, but I don't think so. And then we have a small circuit board that holds several memory modules and has 30 or 72 pin configurations. That's correct. The way I like to remember single inline memory modules, I don't exactly remember the 30 or 72 pin. I remember that it's less than 100 and it's a small circuit board and it holds memory chips. So that is a characteristic that describes single inline memory.